So on Friday, the biggest crypto crash happened. The 19 billions in crypto leveraged positions were forcibly closed. A lot of people lost a lot of money. A lot of people even lost their lives because, there are rumors that some people took their lives after this huge catastrophe or financial crisis. And the beautiful thing about it is that if you were prepared, if you were in an anti-fragile position, in other words, if you listen to what I've been saying on my YouTube channel all along, and you just bought Bitcoin and you perhaps implemented the barbell strategy, which is 90% of your wealth in Bitcoin and 10% in high-risk positions or high-risk shitcoins or stocks or whatever. And if you didn't trade, which is also what I've been saying in my YouTube channel, I said that traders do not make money. Trading is extremely risky. You will hardly make any money. If you trade with leverage, that's even more riskier. And we have seen how many people lost a lot of money trading with leverage, using extreme leverage. And so if you implemented what I've been saying, if you were positioning yourself in a way that any crash would not affect you. In fact, this crash was good if you had cash. It was basically Bitcoin on discount. Bitcoin dropped by, 12%. You can look up the numbers on Google or ChatGPT. But Bitcoin crashed to, I think, $104,000. So basically it was on discount. So if you had cash, you would have bought Bitcoin on discount. And then it bounced back to, I think now Bitcoin is trading at $115,000. So if you've been doing what I've been saying on my YouTube channel all along, which is do not trade, I made a video about that. Do not trade with leverage, that's extremely important. Do not buy a lot of shitcoins, stick to Bitcoin. Pretty much all the altcoins, all the shitcoins dipped, crashed way more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin crashed by maybe 12%. I don't know the exact number, you can look it up. But it didn't crash that much. And then it's bounced back. Most the other shitcoins didn't bounce back. And so I only made this video to remind you that what I'm saying here on this YouTube channel is what I know for sure is going to work. And it's what I'm doing. It's what I'm implementing myself. I'm not going to say anything that I'm not doing. All I'm doing is in this YouTube channel is just basically explaining my own investment strategy and the thing I'm comfortable doing. So I say buy Bitcoin, which is what I do. And I say if you want to buy other stuff, at least implement the barbell strategy, which is only 10% of what you own. So even if this kind of crash happens, it's not going to wipe you out. Okay, you're not going to go and kill yourself over it. I mean, I woke up on Friday, 5 a.m. Beijing time, and I saw X was on fire. All the Bitcoiners were screaming by the dip, and shitcoiners were, losing their minds, and Casper people losing their minds because it completely crashed almost to zero. It went almost to zero. And so all the shitcoins were at a loss. I still hold a few altcoins, Sway and AVAX. They also crashed. I lost some money, but they are a very small percentage of my portfolio because I'm all in on Bitcoin. And so, yeah, if you want, this is a Black Swan event. You never know when shit like this is going to happen. Nobody expected that Trump will tweet what he tweeted that day. Nobody expected that he will send the markets into a chaotic state like he did. And to be honest, under a Trump presidency, you should expect this kind of thing because, you never know what Trump is going to tweet. You never know what Trump is going to do. You will never expect what Trump is going to do or what is he going to say on Twitter and how it's going to affect the market. So it's not really a Black Swan event because we know that this is how Trump operates. But it is a Black Swan event because we don't know what nobody expected it, and it's still an unexpected event. So yeah, that's all I have to say in this video. Go into Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, 10%. If you wanna do some high risk shit, just keep it below 10% and you're gonna be good. If you didn't watch my videos about trading, you can watch it here. If you didn't watch my video about barbell strategy in Talib, you can also watch it here. If you didn't watch my video on what else did I talk about? Trading, don't trade, don't, yeah, if you didn't watch my videos on shitcoins, go watch my videos on shitcoins. I made a video on XRP went to $1, I think. I mean, it took XRP 7 years to reach $3, and then after one crash it went to $1 or less. I think now it's bounced back to $2. But yeah, I made videos on XRP and why it's a shitcoin. You can also watch it. I made videos on Ethereum as well. So basically, stay away from shitcoins, stick to Bitcoin. And if you want to put some money into some shitcoins, just keep it to 10%, no more than 10%. So yeah, that's all I have to say. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm being active now on X. I post more on X and I try to interact a lot more on X. So you can follow me on X. You can find the link in the description below, and see you in the next one. Take care.